Hey, I'm Zach Zeller, America's #1 practical nutrition coach, and right now we're down for the 1 minute challenge for me to answer if fats make you fat. Gonna set the timer right now. 1 minute, and let's get to it. So, yes, it is easier to gain fat from eating dietary fats. The thing is that fats, first of all, they're more calorie dense. If you eat a tablespoon of olive oil, that's about 100 calories, 120. If you eat 120 calories of grains, vegetables, fruit, it's going to be a whole lot more. You're going to get more bang for your buck, more bulk for your buck, and it'll fill you up and make it a lot tougher to overeat. Number two, when you eat excess fat, 2% of those calories are going to be burned as heat and never be stored as fat. When you eat excess carbohydrates, about 20% of that is going to be burned off as heat. So it's a factor of 10 difference in terms of, 10 seconds left, in terms of what you store. So again, fats do make you fat if you eat them excessively, but you don't want to avoid fats completely. You don't want to avoid fats completely because they do increase satiety, they do taste great, and they also increase the absorption of fat-soluble vitamins. So if you want more practical nutrition information, my minute is over. So you can go down a link to dailynutritionhq.com and check out your free weight loss kitchen makeover. Otherwise, give this video a thumbs up if you like it. Comment, questions, those go down below. And don't forget to subscribe if you want more videos. So have a great evening.